Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today I'm going to show you how to scrap this fan. Okay, so all I did was detach the bottom, and someone beat me to the cord. As you can see, that was there. It's not there anymore, but it's okay, we'll keep going. Now, the next thing you want to do is detach it. Little screw right there. Detach it. Okay, metal ring, steel, it's plastic. Now let's get to this here. It says loosen and tighten. Should be fine. Piece of plastic. This should pop right off. It might give me some trouble. There you go. This is steel. Now this is what you want right here. So we're going to unscrew these. Usually this comes with a top, and someone broke that off, but it's alright because this should come right off. And if it doesn't, okay, there you go. So now you see the motor. This is what you want. This is the good stuff right here. Start with dismantling everything. Doesn't want to open. You just get a little more violent. See that? A little more precision. Never hurt anyone. Concentrate more on this motor. Wire. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Okay. Getting better and better and better. Let's see what's in here. All right. This is what you want. This is what's inside those ceiling fans. Floor fans. This is what's inside the floor fans. Look at that. Look at that nice piece of copper there. You clean this up, you got yourself some nice #1 copper. Or you can sell it as is and get maybe 25, 35 cents a pound, maybe more, depending on where you are. As for the rest, this is all steel. This is steel in your steel pile. You got some wiring. You got this little thing here. You know what? Let's find out if there's any copper in here. Okay, just with a few whacks of my hammer, there's pretty much nothing in there. It just looks like aluminum. And it goes all the way to the center, as you can see. So if you get one of these, just toss it in your steel pile. Don't even bother opening it up. So that's pretty much it. You got steel, some more steel, the base, piece of plastic, some wiring, and a nice piece of copper. So that's pretty much what's in one of those fans. Now, it doesn't take long to take apart. It takes longer in the video to take apart to show you what these are. But if you're interested in taking this this piece of copper out, look at this link right here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Alright guys, it's Mike Scrapper. Tell me what you think. like, comment, share, subscribe. Till then, peace! Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. I added this new feature. I hope you like it. There's some videos here that maybe you haven't seen yet, and I hope you click on them and check them out. For the new users and new subscribers, welcome. I'm getting people from all over the world. You guys are the best. If there's anything you need, please let me know. If there's any type of video you want to see, if I have it, I'll put it up there. All right, guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, peace!